Hello guys, showing on your screen is a $50 new deposit bonus which I claimed, and as you can see showing on your screen, I've started trading already now. And for those who have been asking for withdrawal proof, you can see this is a cash out from the prop firm which I made video about from a few days ago, and also another withdrawal right here from a no deposit bonus which I also made video about of recent. All this you'll be seeing at the end of this video. You can still go and claim them. Now proceeding guys, all you have to first do is click on the link which I'll be adding to my description and also to the comment section, where it brings you to this part where you see details like this on your screen. Now fill in the details correctly and click on this box that shows I'm not a robot and click on sign up. So once you do that, once you click on sign up, it takes you to this next part where you see details like this showing on your screen. Now you can see account not verified, create live account, deposit to account, and like I said before, no KYC needed before you can claim the bonus. So the next step is to click on this three line showing up here. Once you click on it, it brings this option and you click on no deposit bonus, and it brings you to this part where you see something like this. Now you can see you don't have any no deposit bonus account, so you just click on create new one. So once you do that, it brings details of a no deposit account created for you. You can see it right here. This is mine. This is $50 no deposit right here showing on your screen. So if you scroll to the left, you'll be seeing more details about the bonus, and these same details is what we'll be using to log into MT5. Now right here in our MT5, you click on add account, add trading account, and for the server you can see it's ZYZ. It will appear like this. You click on it and it brings you right here where you fill in your details. Now the same details which was given to you in the site, you copy and paste them right here, and for the server you choose ZYZ capital life. So after you choose life, you click on login, then you will be logged in successful and you'll be having this $50 ready to trade immediately. And for the terms and condition, you can see it looks pretty easy to me. You just have to trade your $50 account to a $1,000 and you'll be able to withdraw a maximum of $100, as you can see showing on the screen. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share to others. That's a big way of saying thank you to this effort I put to making sure you guys can make money online. Have a nice day guys.